Your captain B Benoflin Sam is here. So today I'm gonna teach trigonometric statements for class 11th JEE Max. So last time I have taught allied angles from this trigonometry only. Today I'm gonna teach trigonometric statements. Okay, which means I'll take only two statements and do questions series so solvable. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. Okay. The statement one we can take as S1. Statement 1 is so if theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to pi, then sin theta 1 is equal to sin theta 2 and cos theta 1 is equal to minus cos theta 2. Okay, I'll write the important parts. Okay, then sin is equal to this and cos will be like this. Okay, this is also one statement. Another statement is this one. If theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to pi by 2, then sin theta 1 is equal to cos theta 2 and cos theta 1 is equal to sin theta 2. Okay, this also I will write for important points. This one. Okay, here's some proofs. Okay, proof. So for theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to pi, we can write it like as theta 1 is equal to pi minus theta 2. So we'll take sign like sin theta 1 is equal to, if we take sin pi minus theta 2, this is a second quadrant and there's a range, so sin theta 1 is equal to sin theta 2. For same as this for cos theta 1 is equal to cos pi minus theta 2. But the problem is it is the second quadrant, but cos is negative. So you take as cos theta 1 is equal to minus cos theta 2. This is how it goes like this. Okay, this is how it's solvable. So this one, the statement 2, this one. Okay, we can write as theta 1 is equal to pi by 2 minus theta 2. Okay. So we can take as sin theta 1 is equal to sin pi by 2 minus theta 2. So this one is first quadrant, means it is positive, but it changes. So you take as sin theta 1 is equal to cos theta 2. So same as this one, cos theta 1 is equal to cos pi minus 2 minus theta 2. We take as cos theta 1 is equal to sin theta 2. Same as this one, okay? So this is how it goes like this, okay? Okay. So this is statement 1 finished, statement 2 is finished. So with these statements, we are going to solve the radian problems, okay? So let's get started with this. Okay. The question cos pi by 7, no, I read sin pi by 7, okay, plus sin 3 by 7 plus 0 7 sorry 2 pi by 7 plus sine 3 pi by 7 plus sine 4 pi by 7 plus sine 5 pi by 7 plus sine 6 pi by 7. You have to find the value of this, okay? So this we can take as solution. So we can take like this, right? We can take like this. As a shortcut, we can take this for this separate, this separate, and this separate. So if you separate like this, then you can get it, okay? So we can take as sine pi plus sine 6 pi by 7 by 7. So we take as plus sine 2 pi by 7 plus sine 5 pi by 7 plus sine 3 pi by 7 plus sine 4 pi by 7. So if you take this one, this is a rule you can see is theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to pi. It's the format of statement 1, okay? So if you can take this means then sine theta 1 is equal to sine theta 2. So we take this common as, you take as this one, 2 sine pi by 7 plus 2 sine 2 by 7. So we can take a 2 common, whatever, sine pi by 7 plus sine 2 pi by 7 plus sine 3 pi by 7. Okay, is right? So what we're going to do is, wait a minute. Okay, if I add this, it will go like this way, 2 pi 5 by 7, 3 pi by 7. So and we get a 6 pi by 7. So no issues, this is the correct answer for this. So like, if we solve like that means if we get this, and this is the correct answer for this, okay? This is the correct answer. This is how you have to use the statements that I have taught. So the next one we are going to see it, okay? Sine square pi by 8 plus sine square 3 pi by 8 plus sine square 5 pi by 8 plus sine square 7 pi by 8 is equal to what they asked. Okay, they asked it like this. We can take the same thing we're going to do, okay? This one. So we can take as sine square. Okay. So take as sine square pi by 8 sine square 7 pi by 8 plus sine square 3 pi by 8 plus sine square 5 pi by 8. Okay. So this model, it's going like this. Theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to pi. This model. If you call this model, it means I already told you sine theta 1 is equal to sine theta 2. So we'll take this one, right? We can take 2 again, common. Sine square pi by 8 plus sine square 3 pi by 8. Now what difference is there is this one, it goes like this. Theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to pi by 2. See, if we add this means you'll get like 4 pi by 8 and cancel we get as pi by 2. So it's coming like this. So we take as 2. So we take as sine theta 1 is equal to cos theta 1. So you take this one. This one. 2 sine square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8. So this for this whole thing is 1. Means the correct answer for this 2. That's the answer. This is how you have to solve this question, okay? You have to practice, not just like what you have to refer letter. It's just you have to be smart, okay? So I'll finish the lecture, okay? So make sure you like, subscribe, and share, okay? So no homework, just you have to revise, finish. So you have to practice about two questions, okay? And replace that sign, the cos, okay? You can do it. So thank you, have a great day.